Sarah Lee's Deals, Steals, and Giveaways here. We have The Adventures of Jurassic Pet. And we just opened the box, and before we start opening the backpack, we wanted to record what we got for review and promotion of the movie. So my daughter is going to take this blue backpack and start going through it. We have no clue what's in it yet. The dogs are even curious.
Oh boy. Glow in the water.
A water egg?
Dinosaur eggs. Magic. So if you put them in water, they got a baby dinosaur that's in it.
Okay, put that on the floor. Alright, Buttercup.
Ooh, they got dinosaur gummies.
Harbo gummies. Yeehaw!
More dinosaur eggs. There's a couple of those in here.
These are our kids, the dogs, and they're just happy to see what's all in there.
More gummies. Here's another egg. There's a ton of eggs. There. Here's the movie.
Ooh, the movie, Jurassic Pet. If you have to hand me the paper, you can. And it's part of Lionsgate that we got it. And this is the promotional prize pack with everything.
I think that is everything in here.
Here, hand me the paper. Is that everything?
Yep.
Alrighty, and then you got the backpack and a bunch of eggs. So check the link below to see the video and everything. And thanks for unboxing this with us. Bye.